This is a tutorial over how to make this. First, you need the long stripe CS6, the stand from the Stampede, and a little pipe with this little CV thing, little thing. See? And then this little thing on the end. And you need a scope from the long shot, and you need the little recon little thing. How I did this was that I took off the front of it, which you can easily unscrew these two screws, and then 3 clips. First, you need to attach this to this. Like that. And then you hook it up to here. And then you put a screw on. Then you put the scope on. Then you put all the clips in. Oh, whoops. The scope fell off. Let me get that. Okay, there. And then, there it is. I painted it Arctic colors, but it barely sells around here. That's funny. But I just want to do that.